Who's a good boy? You don't like bath time, do you? Your tail was going before until we got you all wet. Yeah. Good boy. Okay, are you ready? I think you're all done.
Did you get his underside?
Yeah. Oh, good boy. Okay, I'm gonna take you out. Good one. I'm gonna just wring out each paw. Wait. Like a froggy. Good boy. And your tail. Yeah.
It's like a little rat.
Oh, you're a good boy. You're a good boy. Yeah. Good boy. You like bath time.
Get him a treat.
Yeah. Where are they? Let's get you a treat. Good boy. Oh, yeah, you get chicken.
Good boy, Wegman.
Good boy.
Mmm.
Yeah. That was fun. Yes, you're such a good pup. Such a good pup. Bath time. Good boy. Just try your bottom legs. Yeah. Are you gonna shake after? Oh, it's a good boy. Good boy.
Did you wash in his ears?
Smells. Yes.
He still smells?
Well, he smells like wet dog now, not dirty dog. Dirty dog. Yeah. You're all dry now, sort of. Who's a good boy? Good boy. Yeah, you are. So dry. Too bad we don't have his brush in here.